Hey everybody, I'm Clark from Clark's Cosplays, and I've been seeing some people asking questions online recently about ways to attach armor, specifically the working on torso, back, and chest armor. So today I'm going to show you guys how I attach mine. So what I use is these clips on the top and these clips on the bottom. I have them attached on there with E6000 epoxy. You might be able to have some luck with super glue. With the amount of tension that I expect to have on here, I like something a little bit stronger. It's going to take a second to dry, so put a clamp on it or something like that. And those top pieces clip in here. The clips hold on with elastic, which again is attached to the armor with E6000 epoxy and super glue. What I do with this is it has the strap looped through, allows you to adjust the tension on it, so that way you can maintain the pressure to hold the chest to the torso. Same with the bottom clip here, held on with elastic looped through the clip. So utilizing the elastic there, it allows the buckles to be able to be pulled forward so that you can more easily grab them, as well as they allow the piece to get pushed up tight to you, as well as allowing more flex of movement and just breathing in general. So sometimes what can happen is the elastic will wear out a little bit and start to stretch out, or the way the buckle is, the way the elastic loops through the buckle, sometimes that can stretch out a little bit or just work its way through just from general movement. You can adjust the tension on it. You can make it tighter, looser. Maybe maybe it's a cold con and you're wearing more layers underneath. You need a little bit more room. Maybe you had a big lunch and you need a little bit more room. It's nice that the way this is set up allows you to adjust, make some of those more personal adjustments. And it's not just a one-time permanent, this is how it is when you make it. And also, another feature that's nice about it, especially with how these buckles are, is you can just pop your thumbs in here, pop it, and it opens up like a clamshell. You can take it right off, get access into anything if you got like battery pack fans or anything like that. And I'll put in the description below affiliate links to the different clips and things like that I used for this build. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.